Statistics show that the average maintenance technician loses 2 hours every day chasing their tail, running back and forth from the apartment to the truck to the shop for the parts and supplies that they need. But Mobile Shop eliminates that problem. We've been doing things the same way for probably 20 years or longer. We're still going into the apartment with a tool belt around our waist and a bucket in our hand with limited supplies and tools. I get service requests that are very vague, very ambiguous, so I knock on the door, I go into the apartment, and I find that what they actually need from me isn't anything close to what the service request says I need. So I'm in the apartment with the wrong tools, don't have the supplies I need, so I've got to go back down to my truck or my golf cart, or in worst case scenario, I have to go all the way back to the maintenance shop, put away what I took with me to the apartment, get what I need, and now make another trip all the way back. So for instance, there are some tasks that are 5-minute tasks, but because I got to the apartment with the wrong supplies or the wrong tools, that 5-minute task actually ate up 30 minutes of my day. If I had Mobile Shop when I was a maintenance supervisor, I can honestly say that I would probably get to 4 to 5 more service requests per day. And that alone would have had a tremendous impact, because that's 4 or 5 residents who got service from me today instead of service from me tomorrow. And then there's the added component of having Mobile Shop with me when I'm turning the apartment. Instead of taking 3, 4, 5 days to turn the apartment, if I can cut that turn time down by 1 day, 2 days, again, we're talking saving thousands and thousands of dollars. Studies show that up to 60% of your turnover is directly related to controllable issues. And the #1 issue is the response time to a request. When residents call in a service request and it takes us the next day to get to that request, that's a determining factor, the #1 determining factor, whether or not that resident will renew their lease at the end of the term. When you take the $3,000 that it costs to turn an apartment, and with the turnover ratio being what it is right now in this country, which is 60% on average, that means that we're turning, for every 100 apartments that you manage, you're turning 60 apartments per year. Now, if 60% of that is controllable, you could reduce your turns by 36 apartments per 100 units, which means that you could ultimately save your company $108,000 a year. We're not always in a position from a maintenance standpoint of being able to look at the cost-benefit analysis. You know, the maintenance guy sees the turns, he sees the work orders, and he doesn't always see the budget, he doesn't see the bottom line, he doesn't see how his job really affects those things. So the maintenance staff isn't going to the managers and saying, you know, if we purchase this or this or this, it would make my job easier and it would save us this amount of money. And so because they're not feeding that information to the managers aren't asking for that money in their budget. So it's really an educational thing where we need to start by educating our maintenance folks and then our managers, so they can then go to the management companies and say, I've done a cost-benefit analysis, and this is the amount of money we can save with this minor investment. You know, as I look at Mobile Shop, I personally feel a sense of pride. You know, I feel really good about what I have. I look at this and I feel like, you know, I'm a guy who has, you know, the state-of-the-art equipment, and that sense of pride is going to want to elevate my performance to the point to where I'm doing a better job. I take more pride in my work, I'm more careful, I clean up after myself. I think overall a better maintenance technician.